Good afternoon, class. Now we will proceed with our oxygen generation for this experiment, experiment number 7. So as I have explained earlier, we have here our oxygen generation apparatus. So we have our potassium chloride, magnesium dioxide mixture inside our reaction flask. Now I will adjust the position of our burner to intensify the heating of the mixture inside this flask as we intend to generate oxygen. Okay. So as what I have explained earlier, sunda ko focus. Okay. So later on, as the reaction proceeds, as this mixture melts and eventually boils, it will create it will evolve gas, and we expect that would be oxygen. So we collect oxygen using water displacement method. So oxygen will flow through this tube here, rubber tubing. Then we will collect that through water displacement by doing this. You come closer. Focus this setup here. So I will, in collecting oxygen, we insert this tubing. We dip this in this water straw or water basin. Then we place our test tube right here. Okay. So we can fill in our test tube with water. Then, as oxygen gets into the test tube, this will displace the water. You will observe later on that as oxygen, the gas oxygen gets into the tube, the water will be displaced. For now, we cannot see that reaction. Oxygen generation has not yet proceeded. Stop. Okay na? Okay. Class, if you can notice, the water basin starts to deliver bubbles. So this is an indication that our reaction is now taking place. So I will insert as what I have instructed earlier. Okay, there's not yet enough oxygen generated. Let us wait for a little while. Okay, there we go. Okay, focus it here. Okay, you could notice the water has been displaced. So meaning there is now an oxygen getting into the tube. Okay, so as that continues, I will now insert this underwater so that I can prevent gas from leaking out of this tube. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's get another tube. Okay. Let us allow oxygen to displace the water. Okay. Focus it here now. If you could notice, okay, the water got displaced by the gas generated from our apparatus. Okay, we'll now insert this to seal the tube. Okay, I'm inserting the cork to seal our tube. Okay, let's collect more. Okay, I fill this up with water. I insert the tube. Okay. Water got displaced as the gas is delivered into the tube. Okay. Again, I will put in rubber tubing. A rubber tubing, a stopper. Okay. Another tube. Okay. Okay, wala pa. Run out of oxygen. Okay, so let's wait until enough gas is created or evolved. Okay, stop.